Hi, I'm Marc Sievers, and welcome to my Paris adventure. Having your table bursting with beautiful blooms doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. In fact, it just takes a quick trip to your local grocery store. So in Paris, there are so many beautiful grocery stores and farmers markets everywhere that it's really easy just to gather beautiful things and put them together. So that's what I did. I have a big bunch of beautiful fresh sage, big gorgeous bunch of mint, and some very aromatic rosemary. I cut all the stems, and I put them just in small little drinking glasses filled with water. Very simple so far. And to give that little extra detail, I have the most beautiful peonies that are in full bloom. So when you buy them from the market or the grocery store, you want to get the ones that are really tight, and they'll gradually open over the course of a few days, and they will reveal themselves into this absolutely beautiful and fragrant stem. And I just like to put this right in with the herbs as well. I particularly love this idea because it's the simplest thing to do, but it really has such great impact. And then these poor little tulips. I was coming home from the florist and I was very excited, and I was kind of shaking my bag and I broke a few of the stems. So have no fear. I've just put those little heads in some warm water into little glasses, and I'm just setting those around the table to add an extra layer. And then the final touch, of course, are white unscented candles. This just really adds a lovely glow to your table, and doesn't everybody look better under candlelight? I'm Marc Sievers. Please head over to marcsievers.com for more grocery store flowers made fabulous ideas. And of course, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Until next time, bye from Paris. Au revoir. Et voilà. Bonjour. Those are the 3 words that I can honestly pronounce. Bye, guys.